Here again, we have the TKS-15 and the TKS-19 model. I want to talk to you guys about the differences in the damper controls. The TKS-19 model is actually going to have 4 different control mechanisms, whereas this TKS-15 is only going to have 2 simple controls. So you're definitely going to get more air regulation on the 19 model. So let's talk about the differences. Both models are going to have the primary and the secondary controls located on the side of the stove. The TKS-19 model has 2 additional dampers. One is going to be located on the rear of the stove. It goes from a setting of 1 to 3 to max. That's going to be a self-regulating damper control, similar to some of the other cook stoves that we sell, like Rizzoli stoves now have this built in. And some of the hydro models have it built in, but as far as like a base model wood stove, I believe that only Rizzoli and this Teba TKS-19 are going to have this built-in regulator. Now the 4th and final damper control that's going to be different on the TKS-19 is going to be this grate control located on the side. This is a discharge. This picks up, pulls forward, which causes the cast iron grate to dump forward. This model does not have it because this is a wood only stove. This does not even have a cast iron grate in there. So that's going to be the major differences between the damper controls on the TKS-15 as well as the TKS-19 model.